Alright team, Friday. What a rental cutting down this tree. And my apologies, I forgot you guys. So we already cut down that. And we already cut down that. Which, I mean, that's not that big. This one's not that big either. This is some of the debris. We got to cut this whole thing down. They got to dig in the yard to get down to the sewer, so this tree's got to go. It's not that big, but the biggest hassle so far is this is all welded together because it all grew together. So far that is the big hassle because that's not attached, but it's laced all through there. And of course I didn't bring a ladder, so we'll see what happens. Alright team, that's where we're going to leave it for today. We need to remove that rock ring. I started doing it and I decided I'm done. I got to come back tomorrow anyway, so we'll catch you later. Alright team, skip ahead to Monday. It's going to be a wrap-up video. We ended up going back Saturday, and that was about a 4-foot trunk there that we'd left on Friday. We ended up actually digging that out. We dug out the root ball and stuff, finished cutting it up and hauled it away. The root ball we actually left at the property, but we took it out of the hole and moved it to the back of the property. I guess let me walk you around. We've been doing pickups, but we haven't scrapped anything, so it'll just be like a show of what we've gotten. We did get a bunch of exercise equipment, and I think you've seen the dishwasher. Oh, got our trash out on Monday. We got this desk, I think it was last week though. We got a work your whole body machine with the weight plates. I don't remember if you saw the tetherball or volleyball pole. Let me run you to the west side. I don't think this has changed much, but you guys probably haven't seen some of this stuff. We've been doing some landscaping type stuff, like cutting down that tree and reworking the yard at that rental. Anyway, let me get you back in a second. I had to do some organizing out here. Oh, we got our lawnmowers in a row. We still haven't done much with our bikes. We did sell that one, that Fixer or whatever it was called. The big white one with the green tires. I did find my bike that I was missing. Mrs. Duggar took the seat off it, so I didn't recognize it without the seat. We made a seating area out here in the west 40. With a little fire pit. These are the branches from the top of that tree. This is the trunk stuff. And like I said, we left the root ball there. I don't know, probably 13 inches across there. But we did set this up right on top of the big stump, so the plan is we will hang out here and enjoy a fire and burn that stump down into the ground so I don't have a stump sticking up. I don't think this has changed much. We are picking up another shed. We need to pick up another shed this week. And then we're going to go back to a steel trailer. because I got to get that exercise equipment and some other things taken care of. So we'll save the aluminum and go back to a steel. Here's my bike. It's this purple and pink one. I don't know why I didn't recognize it, but without the seat I just didn't recognize it. Anyway, we'll go back to a steel trailer and get caught up. I probably have a third, maybe a half trailer of stuff laying around that I need to get thrown on there, because we've been doing pickups but we haven't been doing scrapping. And like I said, this week we got to pick up a shed, so we've been keeping the trailer empty because we've been using it for landscaping projects. East side, haven't done much over here. Still got our big pile of tires and our other pile of tires. I think we got 6 grills. We got 3 here and 3 on the other side. Let me pause you up. Alright team, on our tree project we did get to try out our new chainsaw. We got that at Holloway. It was a little bit underpowered and the chain was dull. That's probably why we got to have it. We did get to try out our axe. We got this at a Holloway too, different one. It needs a wedge. This is where me and Mrs. Duggar just tried to put some wood chips from chopping into the handle, but since they're not really beveled, it did okay, but not like a real wedge. And we did get to try out our sledge that we gotten for free at a Holloway. That worked fine. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm not sure why they got rid of that, but it's awesome. I wish I would have filmed more of that tree, because we don't normally dig the balls out. We just usually cut them flush with the ground, or as flush as we can get them. I wish I could have filmed that more for you, but we were on a deadline, so I wasn't doing a lot of filming. Next week, like I said, we gotta get that shed. Hopefully I can film some of that, because that's not something we do every day either. So, but we'll see how it turns out, guys. Alright guys, busy week. My phone battery's dying again. Busy week. So hopefully next week we'll do some more filming. We gotta get that shed, like I keep saying. It's the big project on our list. But anyway, end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. We'll catch you next time.